Quick video today. We've just got this Yamaha in. The problem was that the jack had come disconnected. It was a bit intermittent. The owner initially was thinking about having it reconnected, but we talked about a new jack, the PureTone jack's really good quality. So the video is just about that really. So just to start off, I've showed you this before if you've watched any of my other videos, but when a normal jack is connected, this arm connects to the tip, and then the inside of the jack connects to the sleeve of the plug. And there's your two contacts. And two things happen. Either the inside of the barrel becomes a bit corroded and doesn't make good contact, or this arm becomes a bit loose, and as soon as you move the jack, it kind of moves away from the arm, which breaks contact. With these PureTone jacks, let's open one up. So the contact for the tip are these two arms now. So as you push it in, they're hard to do when they're not in the guitar. There you go. I've now got a contact on either side. So it doesn't matter how much I wiggle, it's not going to break contact there. And the sleeve has also got its own contacts either side as well. So as you push the guitar jack in, you get a double click as it goes through the first contact and then the second contact, and that's not going anywhere. So they're really solid, stable connections. So today all we're going to do is just take some of the PVC off of the cable, so I've got a bit more to work with, attach this new jack, and it's done. Right, so handy wire stripper. She's just given me a bit more, especially the shielding wire to work with. Okay. Sometimes it's easy just to get in there with the old wire cutters. So the first thing I'm going to do is just tin the tip of the wires, firstly to make sure they'll take solder, because if they're a bit dirty sometimes they won't take solder. That's fine. That's all good too. And then the thing to watch with these jacks is just to make sure that you get the contacts the right way around. Because if you do it the reverse, if you put the shield on the positive, i.e. the tip, and the other way around, you just get a lot of noise, because basically you've got ground going to tip. So all of the noise that's being picked up by the ground and then filtered to ground starts to come through the tip. So if you ever get a lot of noise when you fit the new jack, maybe turn the contacts round. Okay, so this one is the tip, so I'm going to do that one first. And there's plenty of room on this, but it's sometimes easier to go in on the inside. Now the other thing with these PureTone jacks is the contacts to solder to are quite heavy metal. Sometimes you have to be a bit persistent to get the solder to take, but once it's taken, it's really secure. And I'm just going to fit a little bit of shrink wrap over that ground because it is exposed, just to stop it, a little bit less actually, stop it from making contact with something it shouldn't make contact with. There we go. Okay, that's soldered on. Now if we plug in, great connection, really stable. It's buzzing because I'm grabbing hold of it, not likely to go anywhere. Right, so all I need to do now is find some screws to fix this plate back on, take this old jack out, fit it into the plate, screw it on, and we're done. So the jack's back in. Make sure you plug it all the way in, because it's a couple of double clicks. No crackling, no buzzing, really secure connection.